Hey everybody, it's your girl, Charlotte Van Horn, Black Expats in Panama, and I just want to thank everybody for coming out to the BEIP B2B Network meetup last night. Our next meetup will be returning to Wednesdays, and that's going to be October 11th. So it'll be the second Wednesday of every month starting in October. Listen, we had such a good time creating synergistic relationships, talking about an exit strategy when you start your business in Panama. You had to be there to find out why. Follow us on Facebook, Black Expats in Panama, B2B Network Meetup. Thank you, everybody, for coming out.